Hello learner, this is Teacher Nolly from Tayug National High School. Welcome to another session of Programming 1.
This video will help you get started with Microsoft Small Basic. Recall that programming is a process on which a computer is taught what to do. These instructions are created by programmers through a program. But here's a catch. These programs or instructions are written in a specific programming language, just like how humans communicate to each other using varied languages like English or French. There are many programming languages being used around the world. Some of them are Java, C++, and Python. But in this quarter, we will be only focusing on a programming language called Microsoft Small Basic. Microsoft Small Basic is a programming language derived from one of the earliest programming languages called BASIC, which stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. The programming language is intended to be easy to learn, making it a perfect springboard for beginners. First, let's install Small Basic on our computer. Step 1. Go to www.smallbasic.com and click Download. Step 2. Proceed to the download folder, then click the file. Step 3. Read and follow the prompts that will appear. Step 4. If the download cannot proceed, especially if you are using Windows 7 or lower, you may need to download and install this file first. You may also scan the QR code below. Now that we have installed Small Basic, it's time to get acquainted with its parts. The first part of Microsoft Small Basic is the editor. It is a floating window where we can write our Small Basic programs. Take note that multiple editor windows can be created in one Small Basic file. Next is the toolbar, which issues commands such as the creation of new editor windows, running and saving your program. We also have the surface. This is simply the background or the place where all the editor windows go. You can use it to organize your editor windows. Now that you are familiar with the Small Basic environment, we will go ahead and start programming in it. To start, encode the following in your editor. After entering your first code, click Run or press F5. Then check if the goal of our program is achieved. The goal of our program is to show or display the text Hello World, and based on the result, this goal is achieved. After making sure that the program is correct and achieves its goal, you will need to save the program using either the Save button or the shortcut Ctrl+S in Windows. Now, there's just one more detail to cover before we go to create bigger programs. We have to understand what just happened. What exactly did we tell the computer? And how did the computer know what to do? Let's analyze the program we just wrote so we can gain that understanding. The text window is called an object. There are many objects available for us to use in our programs. We can perform several different operations on these objects. One example of an operation inside the text window is the write line, which is used to show text on a separate line. Notice that the write line operation is followed by the hello inside quotes. This text is passed as input. Punctuations such as quotes, spaces, and parentheses are essential segments that should be used properly. As you type your codes, you may have noticed a window that is popping out, recommending some words. This is called IntelliSense feature of Small Basic. It helps us to code faster and more accurate. In this video, you have explored the Small Basic work environment and created your first program.
And that ends our lesson for today. See you on our next video. Keep safe!